Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. Previously we explored shooting at goal, from individual practice to game situations. In case you've missed it, be sure to watch it.
Hi guys, good evening. Once again, this is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode with Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap. So today we are going to practice on volley, and you see that most of the goals, exciting goals, thrill goals scored from the volleys. So it's very important part of the game. So we'll practice on volley today. First we get the feel of it, about then how do you take the volley, and then we'll actually in crossing situation, and then final we do with the crossing. So there is 3 part. So hope you are learning and enjoying. So let's begin. Come on guys. So 1 ball each, goalkeeper on the goal. Stay behind this. Stay behind this. So as it's the top of the box, 1 shot each. So now you have to play the ball and boom. Okay. So we'll see who's the best. Huh? Okay, good. Good shot, good save, well done, very nice. Whoa, good shot. Okay, good one, well done. Goalkeeper change, goalkeeper change. Okay, well done. Okay, you finish. Wait, all finish. Okay, so now what I want from you, play the ball little higher and then adjust with the ball and then bang it. Okay, so play the ball higher. Yes, and adjust now and then take volley. Whoa, good one. Good shot. Good. So you can see this, once they're playing the ball down, they find very easy and most of the shots on target. But when you get the ball high, it's very difficult to judge and then take position accordingly, and then you kick most of the ball out. So I'll guide you how to do it. So guys, it's very important. You have to first stay on toes. If you stay dead and ball is bouncing, you will not get the stepping, because you have to adjust with the bounce. Very important. So to take the ball, you have to be on the toes and look and put the upper part of the body on the ball, so you won't get the high kick. If you stay like this and you kick, ball go high. So you have to give me the ball. You have to play, adjust, look at the ball, put the body, understand? Put the body and follow up also. So looking. Oh, understood? Chalo, we'll see. Yep. Oh, see, his upper portion. So that's why his ball going up. Okay, whoa! Oh, fantastic. Yes. Look. Okay. So connection was, the technique is there. So you have to play the ball, middle of it. If you kick here, there, it will go other side of it. So you have to, the height of it and then middle of it, of the ball, to hit that. And it needs a lot of practice. To do that. Come on, few more. Yeah, well done. Good shot, Samuel. Okay, so this is all about volley. Now we'll progress to half volley. That's also very important. Yeah, so now you have to play. Understand? So tap it, it's called half volley. Chalo, try. Come on. Yes, good try, but upper portion should be down. Yes, goalkeeper change. Goalkeeper change. On toes, keep moving, fast feet. No, it's a full ball, so you have to half volley. Wait with the ball and with the legs, whoop. Yes. No, it's a full volley. So you have to connect with the ball and ground, you see that. So I'm just waiting. See, understood? And keep the upper portion on the ball so it will go down. Wait. Why not you play the ball? If you play the ball here, how can you kick? So you have to go play the ball in front so you get time to adjust. Understand? Come on. Yes. Yeah! Wow. See? Yeah, good one, Uday. Well done. You can see the best one till now. Okay. Yes! Woo! Oh, guy, quick learner, huh? Very nice. Goalkeeper change. Continue. So you get the basic of feeling about full volley and half volley, and now we'll move to give them the feel from the crosses side for volley, how you can take, and then we'll final part we go actual crossing and volley. Okay guys, now we'll move to second part of volley. We give the feel of from server, so as a cross, and they will try to hit the volley and then half volley, and then we'll progress to final part later. So let's begin. Adjust. Yes, okay. Whoa! Oh, the best one till now. Well done, very nice. So very important in this again, you should be ready to receive the ball. If you stand still, it's difficult always. So I've seen if you cross is there, you keep moving like this. Keep moving like this, on toes, to be ready to receive. Now you play. So once you play the ball, now you have to adjust with the ball. Ball will not come to you. You have to adjust with the ball and see that and then bang it. So we'll try that. Yes, so I'm ready. Play. So I move and see, I adjust according to the ball. If I wait and try to hit, I will not get the ball. Goal. So I am now, actually I should hit this way, but I have adjust with the ball and bang it and get the goal. Okay? So adjust with the ball. That's very important part. Play. Yes. Yeah. Good. Yes. Wow. Well done. If you lower, it will be fantastic. Good. Why not again? Score again for rebound. Don't forget that things. Yeah, little you can come front, little top of the box or penalty spot. Yes, perfect ball and good one. Okay guys, now we'll move to left part of the crossing. Get the feel of volley and half volley from the left side, because we have to practice both the side. Most of the time we ignore left side, but it's very important when get the cross from left side. We should be able to volley and score goals. Please start. Wait. Yep. Yes. Whoa! Fantastic. Very nice. So adjust with the ball. Look up and finish. Yes. Goal. Well done. Yeah. Get ready. Yes. Okay. So see that. Yeah. Okay. So again, the concentration part is very important. You have not to be not this way. Just relax on toes. Get ready. And then connection part is very important. That you bang it like this. Otherwise, if you kick here, there, so concentration and the in middle of it, from your laces, hook, body position, little band side. This will come with the practice, but you have to see that. Okay? Play. Yeah! Whoa, whoa! Well done. Very nice. So you can adjust with the left, with half volley, full volley. It's up to you how you take it. So adjust with the ball. Yes, very nice. So now you have seen this. Now you can hit the volley from the lace part when you get the force. But now very intelligently he put the inside of the feet to score goals, like play. So you already force is there. Just give the direction to that. You can get the goal. So it's very, very important. Very nice. So you have both the option, laces or inside of the feet. Both you can use. Play. Yes, fantastic. Yes. Whoa! So please continue. So you can see this. If they get, you will understand properly. Keep watching this. Definitely you will become good attacker and score many goals with volley. So this is the second part about the feel of in crossing. So we'll more focus on positioning and concentration and technique. Now we'll go actual in the final part, crossing volley from through crosses. Okay guys, now we are the final part of volleying, practicing volleying. Now we started with the give the feel of the volley, half volley, and then from wing side. And now is actual situation in crossing and finishing, how you connect the ball and score fantastic goal for your team. And we'll see now. Come on guys. Okay guys, play now. Play, Mr. Drapan. Yes, good ball. Wow, good ball, good finish. Well done, good try. Very good. Yes. Yep. Why not control? So stop. So now you have to adjust. As I said, you have to adjust with the ball. If ball is not coming in your reach, now he get the ball, he's trying to hit the ball. Why not he control with the thighs or chest and then take shot? Understand? And goal is important. You can one bounce, poop, ground okay, heading okay, volley okay, lot of option. Control and okay. So you have to see that scoring is important. This is one of the content of that. Okay? Yes. So if you're not able to direct, control with the thighs and chest and score. Play. Good pass. Ah, yes. Now what happened? This is very important part. So he get a fantastic cross, but he get excited to hit the volley. But if he has just given the direction, because force is already there, it's just direction with the step or volley, could have get the goal. Understand? So no need always have to bang it. Just force is there, give connection, get the goal. Yep. Good ball. You can see that they're improving now. So it's very, very important you keep practicing about volley. Direct, in step, out step, place passes, or you control with the chest, thighs. Scoring is important. Volley is one of the part. You can head also. So this is all about volley guys. Hope you learning and keep practicing. This is very, very important. Unless you will watch these videos and practice, not going to improve. So because practice make you perfect and you will get the confidence in matches and then you will be able to score goals through volley. So this is all about from this episode. Hope you like it and please share this video and please subscribe to our channel. We'll come back to another episode. Thank you very much.